Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are into latest gadgets and technologies, you are at the right place. That's right. TechCalling is going to bring you lots of unboxings, features and specifications of the latest releases and honest reviews. I am going to tell you another exciting product, so without further delay, let's dig right into it. Today we are looking at the Zealot P8 Bluetooth speakers featuring 80 watts of power with 3 loudspeakers and huge 115 dB sound. Whether indoors or outdoors, the surprising loud sound is impeccable. In addition, the speaker has built-in reverb that optimizes the vocal effect, making the singing richer, the sound clearer with a strong bass and extremely loud karaoke sound system. Equipped with a microphone, you can easily enjoy karaoke by plugging in the microphone. All of this in a rugged design with built-in 14,400 mAh large battery that features up to 24 hours of battery life. This speaker is built to bring the sound wherever you go, but you may even want to use it at home. Today we will look all of its features as well as analyze and test the sound quality, all to help you decide whether the speaker is right for you. I will leave all the purchase links down in the description. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. Package includes Type-C charging cable, 3.5 mm auxiliary cable, user manual with a quick startup guide, and warranty information. And then finally, there's the Zealot P8 Party Bluetooth speaker with a microphone. I really like its rugged design with sturdy and sleeky handle at the back that doesn't just fit the part but also makes it super easy to carry the speaker and take it with you on a long go. Now in terms of weights, it comes in at 9.03 pounds, which is dense but also not too heavy. And then on the front, we get this mesh metal grill which covers the drivers, and this includes an 80 watt woofers as well as 2 tweeters. Now having individual drivers for different frequencies is really important when it comes to sound quality. And then on the top of the speaker, here is where we will find the I/O. So first we have a USB-C port, and this will be used to charge, and then next to that we have an auxiliary port. I really like to see this on any speaker as it just gives you more freedom in terms of what devices you want to connect, as this for example also lets you connect a TV, old non-Bluetooth devices or certain PCs. And then we also have a USB-A port. Now this is really cool as this essentially allows the speaker to act as a massive battery pack to charge your phone a couple of times while you are listening to music. Then we have TF card slot to play the songs in a TF card, and the speaker's screen will display TF. Lastly, we have 6.7 mm interface microphone. You can enjoy singing song in any mode. There is a smart screen that indicates battery life and various features on the top. With impressive battery and features, you can listen to music to up to 24 hours at a time. Now in my testing, the speaker actually was still playing music at the 24 hours mark, so actually over delivered on this number. And with advanced Bluetooth 5.0 chip allowing for the best quality, it can quickly connect any devices with Bluetooth to get continuous sound in any situation. There is an exquisite control panel on the top with all the media buttons, volume control, echo, and mic control knobs. I did notice is that the interval between the volume, echo, and the mic volume is really quite large, so for more finer adjustments. there is a connect button that allows you to connect to other Zealot speakers to create not just stereo sound but even bigger sound with dual pairing power of up to 160 watts. It has 7 LED light modes to switch freely so you can enjoy a dazzling light show. It has an extremely loud karaoke sound system with built-in reverb that optimizes the vocal effects and mixes with the sound. You can plug the microphone and enjoy singing song in any mode. Rotate the mic volume to adjust the volume and select the echo to adjust the microphone volume. All in all, this is a feature-packed and well-designed speaker. The big handle on the back is well designed to display the control panel on the top to those easily to find and use buttons. Now let's talk about what matters most, the sound quality. Now what I'm gonna do is play you a couple of sound tests in a controlled environment, let you listen to them, judge the sound for yourself, and then we will have a talk. Here are my thoughts. The Zealot P8 is the best Bluetooth speaker I have heard so far. This level of volume, this level of clarity and bass is just not something you will find at this price and form factor, but here it is. First, let's talk about the volume. Now that is of course essential for any outdoor speaker, and in my testing I could not have it set at 100 for more than 10 seconds or so because of my neighborhood. The volume was extremely loud with less than 1% distortion. The clarity is awesome. Volume is essential as when playing outdoors, the music has to be significantly louder to fill a space, compared to indoors where the music or the sound can actually bounce off the walls, whereas outdoors it just travels. And then to add to that, let's talk about the sound stage. Now sound stage refers to how wide the sound is. Now naturally, with a speaker that is relatively portable, you typically don't find great sound stage. But this is where the Zealot P8 Bluetooth Party speaker really took me by surprise. Now many speakers do offer a bass up or bass boost options, but oftentimes this will come at a sacrifice of many frequencies, most notably the mids. Now this is again where the Zealot P8 Party Bluetooth speakers really sets itself apart. The overall bass doesn't affect the other frequencies like the mids or the highs. This means you retain the details in the vocals and means the song is really still enjoyable to listen to with an impressive bass accuracy. And this is also where this passive radiator in the bottom come in to push even more air and create even deeper bass. The bass and sub bass are very clean and pleasant. Mids too are great. You can really separate and hear all the different instruments in your music. And then finally the highs are clear without being too sharp or piercing, while still retaining the finer touches in your music. By testing many Bluetooth speakers, Zealot P8 Party Bluetooth speaker provide good value, price, features, and of course performance. And in my experience with Zealot speakers, this is an excellent example of that. Whether you are out, chilling by, or in the pool, at the beach, or even just to use in a garden or gym or a living room. For this price, The sound that the Zealot P8 provides is simply unmatched. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know, and if you are looking for more great products, please subscribe my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.